How to fix dry sourcing to get started YouTube problem. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open the Play Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on search bar and type YouTube. Now click on YouTube and make sure to update the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen. Now open up YouTube application. Now simply tap on the search bar. Now type search. Now type anything and click on search. Now tap on home screen again. Now check if your problem is solved or not. If it's still there, simply tap on a profile. Now tap on keep account. Now choose your another Gmail account. Now go back to the home screen, restart YouTube and switch back to your account. If nothing solves the issue, go back to the home screen, keep holding the YouTube icon. Tap on app info. Now scroll down, tap on storage usage and tap on clear data. Now tap on delete and restart YouTube. I hope this should fix the issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.